Guys, so in this tutorial I will be showing you how to make the tassel that I made for the keyhole scarf that I did previously, as I did not show you how to make it. So you can get any piece of paper. I am just using this scrap paper here from one of my yarn, and you're basically going to go ahead and wrap it just like this. Make sure that your thumb is holding on to this part here, and you're basically gonna just wrap your yarn all around until you get the desired amount that you need. Make sure that when you're wrapping your yarn, you don't wrap it tightly, wrap it a bit loose. Okay, so I'm gonna stop here and I'm gonna cut this part off. I'm gonna get my darning needle and I'm just gonna get a good amount, just like that. And I'm just gonna use my needle to insert into the top here, just to make sure that I get the right measurement. So once I got that, then I'm just gonna pull my needle out, give this a tie, cut off the excess. So this is, make sure that this is well tight, and then you're gonna pull that knob, that little knot there underneath, so that it does not show. So now that you have that string up the top, you are going to go ahead and pull this off. Take your time and just slide it off. So now that you have done so, you are going to get another piece of yarn, and you're not going to cut it off yet because you don't know how much is it that you're going to need to wrap on this part here. So you're just going to pinch it up a little bit like this, and then you are going to get this tail end here. You're going to place it just like this, and you're going to take your time and wrap. Let me just put this out of the way just a little bit. And you're just going to take your time. Don't pull it tightly. Take your time and put it around. It's going to be a little bit annoying, but don't worry, you'll get to it. Okay, so once you have enough, you can just turn it around so you can get that out of the way. And you are going to continue wrapping, and make sure that you wrap over this tail end so it does not show. So now you're going to start to wrap it a little bit tighter, just a touch, and you're going to continue to wrap. Make sure that it is of the same measurement and not getting all bulgy. By this time, you should wrap over your tail end. And I'm just going to go up to the top And now that I have adequate amount of yarn right around, I am now going to fasten off. Okay, so now you're going to get your darning needle, and you're just basically going to go like this. Just turn it around and insert your needle downwards underneath and pull down, and that will help secure your yarn. You're going to go again, go inside of the loops, pull it through. You're going to go back down, take your time because you don't want to mess that part up. So you're making sure that it is nicely tucked in and it won't come loose. And I'm going to put it through here one more time, and then underneath and pull through just like that and fasten off. Let me just use this bigger scissors. Okay, so now that you have done so, now you're going to work on the top of your tassel here. So what you're going to do, you're just going to squinch down on it like this and use your pointing finger and your thumb to kind of give it a twist. Twist it around, twist it around, twist it around, twist it around, and then you are going to give it a tie. Pull down tightly, and there it is. Now you are going to cut the bottom part. Make sure that everything is nicely cut, and then you're going to even that out. And there it is, all done. Super easy to make. You can go ahead and clean up the edges so that it is nice and cute and all even. So again, thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope that you were able to make a tassel on your own. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Until next time, bye.